Alright, on this video we're going to be talking about putting the hood into service position. This will apply to most GM vehicles, 2000, 2006, and this can be for a lot of different reasons. For me, I wanted to pull the engine out, and if I'm going to crane it out, I needed the room to pull it right out of the engine bay. So there may be many other reasons why you might want to get that hood up there. Maybe it's for looks. Maybe you just want to cool your engine off even more. I don't know, but here we go. There are some supplies that you will need. You will need a 30-inch 2x4 to prop up the hood. You also need a 13mm socket or wrench, as well as a 1/2-inch socket or wrench. So we will install a block of wood to support the hood while we put the hood in service position. A little bit of pressure there, just to see. Test. We will need a 13mm on the nut and a 1/2-inch on the bolt head. Move that over. And we'll support the hood while we're doing this with our hand. We have already loosened this bolt. Take that out. Got the spring popping out. For now, we're going to keep that bolt handy. We're going to be putting it in, swinging that up and putting the bolt back in there. There is it going to fall and kill me or not. Now that we've taken both out, I can push them both up and put it in the service position. We'll raise it up higher. Put our bolt in. Get the other one in. Voila! Looks like our ground is, our body, the hood ground is straining, but it's still working. And that is how you put a hood in service position. Ideally, you want to have a piece of wood or something to hold it up right at the start, so you can take both sides out and then raise it while holding a bolt, and after it's raised, put a bolt in while you're holding it. Or you could have a helper, but the point is you cannot take out a single bolt and expect the entire thing to stay up. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Time. before we do that with a block of wood or something. Until I'm an amateur at this. Alright, this is how you use your head. Okay, so find a block of wood.